Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your daily energies, guys, we'll be picking few cards before we start the reading. Capricorn, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and prosperity in your lives, guys. So let's start the reading, guys. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies first. For your career situation and love reading, we'll be picking more cards, guys, from this deck. So these are for your daily energy, Capricorn. These cards are for your career situation, guys. And for your relationship, I'll be picking more cards. So these are for your relationship. We will turn these cards, guys, as we proceed into the reading, Capricorn. So let's start with your daily energies. Fool, Two of Fire and Six of Air. So with these cards, guys, for your situation, Capricorn. So these may relate to your career situation or personal life, guys. So today you are in that mindset, ready to do anything to make things go to benefit yourself, guys. You're ready to take that risk, and you have that faith and confidence in yourself, in your actions. And maybe for some of you, you are simply jumping into action without that deep thought today. So something in your career, some path or some kind of opening that is coming towards you, you are simply jumping, trusting that unknown future, because you believe in yourself, believe in your actions, and you are just wishing that things will go right for you, guys. So without that deep thought, you are jumping into these actions, guys. Maybe for some of you it may work out in a positive way, but for some of you it may not go that way, guys. It may be some immature decisions on your part, and maybe you are getting that experience that you need today because of these decisions or that new path that you are choosing for yourself. You are getting that learning with this new experience. So some choices that you are making today, you have to do it with clarity, guys. You have to have that calmness, composure before you are making that choice. So some choices, it may lead to some kind of troubles, guys. So if you want to avoid these troubles, you have to make those clear choices, guys. You have to have that clarity and change the way you are proceeding in your life today, Capricorn. So some decisions, maybe in your career or personal life, you have to think twice before making some important decisions today, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your career situation. But I also see that though these choices, for some of you, it may turn out to be something bad, some bad mistakes on your part, but it is helping you to grow, pushing you towards greater growth and greater potential for your future. So in future you will not do the same mistake again, guys. So that is also what I see with these cards, Capricorn. Let us see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. We will open these cards now. Nine of Fire, Queen of Fire, Six of Fire. So with these cards for your career situation, guys, you are moving towards some a kind of collaborations or partnerships, some agreements maybe to work with some people, and you are co-creating your future with those people, and you have that dedication and trust, friendship you may be sharing with that person or with people in your career situation. So some kind of positive change, some kind of what to say, you are reaching success, you are glimpsing your successful future today. And maybe for some of you, people simply appreciate you for your talents and skills today, Capricorn. They are admiring you and they feel inspired by you, and you are in the limelight. They are focusing their attention on you, and you are happy that you are a great inspiration to that person or to those people, and they feel confidence and strength to see you in that way. But maybe just like the previous cards what we saw for your daily energy, something of your future may be uncertain today. So you need to question yourself before you make some important choices in your career, guys, and you have to have that clear insight. So think with clarity before making that decision. Maybe in certain path or in certain career path, you would have gone without some deep thought, made that important decision without that deep thought. But you have to go with that clarity, guys. Work with clarity today. That is also what I see with these cards, guys, for your career situation. But other than that, I see that you are progressing in a very positive way in your career. So if you are looking for some, or if you are in the verge of making some important decisions, some collaborations, you can go forward if you have that total conviction about those choices. So that is what I see, guys, for your career. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship, Capricorn. Patience, 3 of Earth and 10 of Earth. So with these cards, Capricorn, in your situation today, you have to go for moderation, guys, in this relationship. So whatever this person is speaking, or whatever your situation is in your today, if you want to build that strong foundation, that strong bond, that deep meaningful connection with this person, you have to have that dedication and you have to have that willingness to work with this person, make that effort to make this relationship work. And you need patience. Patience is what is called for today, and if you are patient, you will be able to work that magic in your relationship, guys. So if you are patient, you will see that this person will come back. Maybe if you are in some kind of a separation from this person, or some kind of arguments, fights in your relationship, and you are in a temporary separation, if you are able to hold on, have that belief in that person, have that belief in that love you have for them, you will be able to see that this person will understand you, understand your love, and they may be coming back to you, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.